Okay, so here we have our 1 gallon starter kit with beer bottles. And if you look, so the color, it basically, you can put in the order what your preference is. Sometimes we have green in stock as well, but here we have some clear ones. It comes with 24 500 mils, so it's more than enough for that 1 gallon. You're going to basically be needing, I think, about eight of these bottles, so you can have multiple batches worth of bottles, and then you just put on the PET cap, so you have enough caps for bottles, and then just turn them, keep on turning it until you hear the click, and they're sealed. So really simple to use with this 1 gallon starter kit for any of your beer making, cider making. This is, or mead, some people put mead as well. Fantastic to start off for your 1 gallon starter kit. If you need more, just feel free to go to dannyswineandbeer.com and enjoy homebrewing.